viewers, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Miss AR and I welcome you in my tremendous academy. I am your English teacher, and before starting the lesson, I would like to request you please subscribe my channel, like and share it. After that, I am going to start our first lecture. First lecture is based on parts of speech. Parts of speech means those words which we are used in our daily routine. Mean if we speak a sentence, which words are used in that are called parts of speech. There are 9 parts of speech. First part of speech is noun. And second one is pronoun. Third is adjective. And fourth is verb. Sixth is adverb. Conjunction. Interjection. Preposition. And 9 and last one is article. So viewers, we are going to start the first part of speech, which is noun. The first part of speech is noun. So viewers, noun, there are a lots of kind of nouns. First of all, I would like to define the noun. Noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, or thing is called noun. For example, Ali, book, and Lahore, etc. I repeat it. The name of person, place or thing is called noun. Ali is showing the name of a person. Book is showing the name of a thing. And Lahore is the name of a place. Viewers, there are a lot of kinds of noun, but I would like to explain 7 kinds of noun here. Kinds of noun. First one is common noun. Second is proper noun. Third is countable noun. Fourth is uncountable noun. Fifth one is collective noun. 6 is abstract noun. And 7th is material noun. I repeat the kinds of noun once again. Common noun, proper noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. So viewers, this was my first lecture. Inshallah, in my next lecture, I will explain all the kinds of noun in detail. Thank you very much for joining me. Allah.